Hey Baes, it's Rissa May. And today I wanted to do a spend the day with me kind of thing. So here we are. It's 11:45ish. I just woke up. I woke up at 11, which I'm actually okay with because I have not been sleeping the best. So yeah, but I'm about to go to the gym. Got my gym clothes on. And I'm actually like kind of annoyed because if you don't know, I'm moving and I packed up literally everything, all of my workout clothes. So I found this t-shirt in the back of my closet and I was like, okay, this works. And these are the shorts that I wore yesterday. So she's looking a little interesting, but you know, you don't have to look the cutest for the gym. So I wanted to walk you through my day today. So this is the first time I'm going to the gym in probably like 2 weeks. So I'm gonna try and hit everything and show you as much as I can. I don't know if I'm allowed to film in there, but I also don't know if I'll be confident enough to film in there, but I'll see. I'll film as much as I can. But I'm planning on doing a little bit of legs, a little bit of arms, and a little bit of abs because my brother's getting married this weekend and so I want to look snatched, right? Okay. And then I'm gonna come home and probably just chill out after I get out of the shower and stuff. My mom has a huge list of things that we need to do before the wedding, so I'll probably do some of those. And then I have a date at 6:15 with Ethan. I have no idea where we're going. All he's told me is that he had to buy tickets for it. So my guess is he's either taking me to Hale Center Theater or he's taking me to see Marcel the Shell the movie. Those are my two guesses. I'm gonna put my shoes on and then we're gonna go to the gym. School is in session at the high school, so I'm hoping that the gym won't be too busy. So we're gonna see, but let's go to the gym. And also, I think after I'm gonna go to the car wash just because it's very dirty. And like I said, I'm moving this weekend. And after I move, my dad's taking my car off of the membership thingy. So, okay, I made it to the gym. There's something about the gym. After a while of not going to the gym, I get in the parking lot and I sit in the parking lot for 5 minutes being like, do I really want to do this? Do I really want to go to the gym by myself? Because I overthink everything and I'm like, what if there's like some creepy old guy that's gonna stare at me in there and make me uncomfortable, and then I'm gonna have to leave early, and then I'm gonna be upset because I left early and I didn't get to finish my workout and blah 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 blah. And you know, I really like going with Ethan, but I really needed to go today, so I'm gonna go in. So still gonna go in. That's not gonna stop me. And it's literally noon. Like, who's gonna be at the gym at noon on a Monday? Probably nobody, but we'll see. Okay, let's go in. I needed all of the leg press machines, all of the like the squat machines are being used, except for one, which is by a really old guy, which I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna wait on those. Especially when I'm filming. So I'm gonna do pull-ups and dips first. So. If you didn't see some of that, I felt really awkward like trying to set up a camera to be on me all the time, so I'm pretty sure in the squats you only saw my face when I would come up. At least I got some footage. I'm gonna go to the car wash now. I'm trying to keep you out of the air. I'm gonna go to the car wash now, and then I'm gonna go home because I'm tired. I didn't have time to do abs. Well, didn't have time. I just didn't want to because I push so hard on my legs and my arms, specifically my arms, like my arms are dead. But yeah, let's go to the car wash. So we're doing very deep cleaning, so this will be fun. I've been looking for that for like a week, but I found it. It was under the seat. I found it. Duck. Now that I know where the back of that is, I can figure out how to fold it up when I get home. So, yeah. My glove box is really, really messy. So, I'm gonna sort that out real quick. See? Look how messy that is. Wow. Why have I never thought of that spot before? Gotta wipe down the dash. So, you really want that car to be clean. I don't think you guys have ever seen the front of my car, but there's a bunch of ducks. This one doesn't have a squeaker. But I threw one back there. I think these would look better in the back, just because it doesn't look as cluttered, so I'm gonna throw all of these back there. Ethan throws all of these all the time, so don't get mad at me because you did it first. And I'll keep my shark up here because I'm the shark. Ethan's just the best boyfriend ever and just gives me everything. He stole these from our school, like the tennis shed or whatever. He stole these for me. So, just in case I get hungry when I'm at work or something, so yeah, but I keep them in my car. Remember this, Ethan? Remember this? Oh yeah. Remember the before? After. I'm a genius. Oh, and there's the pile of garbage. Now, I use this little rag to clean my windows. Just take some water. Dump it on the rag. And then wipe it on your windows. Clifford is freshly clean and ready to go to college. Okay, back from the gym and the car wash, and I just showered. Obviously, I have a towel on my head. My arms are very sore and weak, but now I'm gonna put on my makeup for the day. 2:14 and my date's at 6:15. I actually got out of the shower and was like, okay, I don't have anything to wear, so I busted open my clothing box, which is right there. So I'm gonna be making an outfit out of that box too tonight, because all the clothes that I had out, I was like, oh, it'll be fine, but I have a date. So I start off with my eyebrows first, and I do this is like the e.l.f. brow starter mini palette or something like that. I do blonde because I'm blonde, and I start out with the clear one, and I just dip my finger in it, swish it around a few times, and just go through my eyebrows just so that they stay in the shape I want. I take an e.l.f. concealer brush, this little guy, and I go into this one, which is the gel, and then I just shape out the shape that I want my eyebrows to be, starting at the front. I recently got my eyebrows waxed, so my shape is not what I'm used to, so I'm trying to get used to that. But on this eyebrow, I have hairs on the tail of my eyebrow that grow this way instead of this way, so that causes a little bit of trouble for me when it comes to filling in my eyebrows. If you've ever noticed that sometimes this side of my eyebrow is more faded than this side, it's because my hair grows a different direction, so it doesn't hold the product as well as the other eyebrow. I'm gonna use this color, and I know it looks crusty, it's because I use the same brush and it just has gel on it, but I use this color, just do the same thing that I just did with the gel. But I focus more on this part so that I have more of a defined shape. I use the Revlon Color Stay Brow Fiber Filler in the shade Medium Brown. So then I use the Clear Brow and Lash Mascara from e.l.f. Take the brow brush side that looks like this, and you just do the same. And then after that, I just take a regular spoolie and just shape it on top. Nose. I do my eyes next. So I use that same spoolie thing that I used. This is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, but I use it on my lash line. You just line your lash line. I use L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara for my lashes. I put a shimmer in my inner eye corner. The one that I'm using right now is JD Beauty Heartbreaker. So if you guys have any I use the blush that I just barely got, the Wet n Wild Nudist Society one. I like to bring it up a little higher. Okay guys, I'm freaking out. So Ethan came over after he got off work to say hi for a minute, and he was like, what do you think the surprise is? Because he's taking me on a surprise date tonight. And what I thought it was a movie, but he was like, well, I just wanted to come over to say hi because on the way to the date we have to take his little brother to soccer practice. And I was like, oh, okay. And he's like, and it's a 25-minute drive. And I was like, and he was like, you think I'm that boring? And I was like, I don't know. So I don't know. This is the hints that he's given me, okay? So I was like, what should I wear? He said probably pants. He's like, I would wear pants. And I was like, okay, leggings or jeans? And he's like, personally, I would wear jeans, but you can wear leggings if you want. And I'm like, okay. Once upon a time, a few months ago, probably like 2 months ago or something, I was telling him how much I love Hale Center Theater and how much I love the musicals that they do there and how I've always wanted to see Christmas Carol. I looked up what shows are showing at Hale, and there's no musicals. He knows how much I love musicals, but there is a show going on. So I'm thinking that that's where we're going. That's my new guess because I don't know what else to think, because he said that it's inside and he said that I should probably wear jeans instead of leggings. So yeah, so I just texted him like, I don't know what to wear. Like, what do I wear to try and get more out of him? Because if we're going to see Hale, if we're going to see a show at Hale, then I want to dress more like business professional, you know, like business casual. But if we're like, I don't know, what else could we be going to? What else is there that we could be going to? I have no idea. Okay, I got a little more out of him. He said, I asked him t-shirt or blouse, and he said blouse. So I was like, okay, so more fancy but still casual. He's like, yes. So I already know I want to wear my black jeans. So those are yes. And he said blouse. Okay, so here's this one. Well, so I texted him and I was like, would I die of heat if I wore a sweater? So if he says yes, then I'll have to choose something else. But if he says no, then I think I'm gonna wear this. So then there's this cute, like, blouse. I just don't really think that this shirt is like that flattering on me, if I'm being honest. And this is the other sweater. It's kind of like an off the shoulder, but I don't show my shoulders in clothes. So this is actually what I wore on our first date. I think probably exactly what I'm wearing. He said, I think it'd be a little hot for you. Yeah, it's just so hot outside. But I'm like, I don't, See, I can do with this. Like, this is cute. And it's kind of like a throwback because I also wore this to Morp when we went to a dance together. So it'd be kind of a throwback, and it is a little bit more dressy than other things I could wear, but I don't freaking know. I'm gonna FaceTime him because I really need help. Okay, he said this was okay and that it looked good. So this is what I'm wearing on the date. I just had my Steve Madden shoes on. It's funny because this was actually my guess for a second.
It was?
For a second. Because I was thinking like the inside, like dressing more fancy. So I was thinking Hale, but then I looked at the website and there was only one show showing. And so I was like, there's no way.
Yeah.
And so I was trying to think of something else, and I was like, maybe it's Desert Star. But I was that's not 25 minutes away, because like I'd been there before, and so I thought it was longer than that. I was like, that's not 25 minutes away. So you tricked me.
Okay, well, good, I guess.
Yeah, we're at Desert Star.
Oh crap! We got it's kind of awkward. Maybe you can include this in your stressful vlog.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Scrumptious.
I just got back literally like 30 seconds ago, and it went really well. Hi! It went really well. He took me to Desert Star, which is a local Utah theater place. It was super fun, and now I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.